Okay, so this is another heat transfer problem. So it's giving me, right, I want to find the thermal conductivity, right? So conductivity, the conductivity equation is the heat. There's two ways you can write it, right? I'm going to write it in terms of energy, but it's the same thing. So is the conductivity times the area times the change in temperature divided by the thickness times the time interval, right? That's how much heat goes through in a time interval. Power, though, I'm given the power of the heater, right? So 10 watts is power. And power is basically energy divided by time, right? So in this case, this is just generic energy, right? So instead of just generic energy, I'll call it heat divided by time, right? Because heat is a form of energy. It's energy being moved through thermal transfer, right? So if power is heat over time, I can divide delta T over, right? If I do this and divide by delta T, now this is power, right? Q over T is power. So I can say my formula is power equals conductivity times area times temperature change divided by thickness, right? And now I can solve. So, oh God, all you're doing is solving for K, right? It's not that bad now. So K, let's just figure out what I know. So power, right? I already talked about power. There's my power. Area, box with a total surface area, right? So this is my area. Change in temperature. It maintains the inside temperature 15 degrees C above the outside temperature, right? So whatever the outside is, the inside is 15 more. So that means that is my delta T. And my thickness is 4 centimeters thick, right? So that's my thickness, but again, you need to turn, because base units, centimeters needs to turn into meters. And then you can plug in and solve. And that's it, right? So you can, however you want to do it, right? Get K. So you can take this whole mess and multiply it together and divide over, or whatever you want to do, right? But really not that complicated. Conductivity problems aren't that bad. As long as you can find like what's what and get your temperature change, they're pretty easy.